Building a team culture around Google reviews is so important. As human beings, we want recognition and acknowledgement. Google reviews do just that. If we mention your name, we'll give you an award. You get an entry into a bigger grand prize. So we want our people laser focused on asking for those Google reviews. Not only that, but they understand the importance of it because it continues the flow of work, helps us grow our business. Our process for getting Google reviews has been evolving over the years. We have tried so many things to be successful. I took their iPads, we created QR codes that would drive them to, all they had to do was hold that QR code up for a customer, and it still didn't work. I incentivized them to every Google review that you get that has your name in it, I'll give you a $25 gift card. Still wasn't enough. We were not moving the needle. We were introduced to Liftify about 1 year ago. The reviews continued and started to pour in. The automation of it, when you add the human element of asking them to do certain things in the midst of their job, they may forget one or two things. The Google review ask is usually one of those things. Liftify takes all of that out. Its integration with QuickBooks is so important. We're just seeing the reviews come in every day. And then of course we immediately cut and paste those reviews and send it out to the staff.